part of this topic, that is conversion. Okay children, now I am going to tell you about the question convert the following lengths into meter. Okay children, first of all I will take the question 100 centimeter and I have to convert this centimeter into meter. Children, already told you how many centimeters are there in 1 meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this is the answer. Children, make sure whenever you write answer, to write unit is very important. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted in the exams if you will not use the word unit, that meter or centimeter, whatever in the question, whatever they ask from us. Okay children, this is the simple 100 centimeter I have taken. If the question is we have to convert 800 centimeter into meter. We know children, I told you whenever we have to do this question, first of all we have to start with the beginning, that we know about 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. In 100 centimeter 1 meter, 200 centimeter 2 meter, 300 centimeter 3 meter and so on. And now the question is instead of 100 it's 800. So 800 centimeter will be equal to 8 meter. Or simply children, you can think, if we have to convert smaller unit into bigger, what is the smaller unit? Centimeter. What is the bigger unit? Meter. If we have to convert smaller unit into bigger, the number will be decreased, number will be less. We divide the thing and we get the answer. Okay children, now I am just simple little bit change. It's not change, just I am writing with this meter. The question is convert the following lengths into meter, meter and centimeter. Okay. Be careful children when you will see this question. Listen carefully. The question is okay, 125 centimeter. How we will convert this into meter? Children, simply you can think in your mind. You read this word again and again. 125 centimeter. 125 centimeter. How many hundreds are there? In hundreds place, how many hundred are there? 100 centimeter. 125 centimeter. That means if we will convert it into meter, it will be 100 centimeter. If we will divide it into parts, 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Okay, and children, we know that 100 centimeter means 1 meter plus 25 centimeter. Now children, we cannot convert this 25 centimeter into meter. Why? Because meter will come only when 100 centimeter will be completed. So what will be our answer children? Answer will be 1 meter 25 centimeter. Is that clear answer? Is that clear children? This plus sign will be removed in the answer and we will simply write 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, I am going to take one more question children, that is 951 centimeter. It's 951 centimeter. Okay children. Now again you speak 951. 900. How many hundreds? 900 centimeter plus 51 centimeter. So 900 centimeter means 9 meter and how many centimeter? 51. So when we have to convert 951 centimeter into meter, the answer will be 9 meter 51 centimeter. Okay children, is this clear to you? I hope this is clear, but children, make sure it will not be clear to you till you will not practice. It's the only thing that we are giving you lectures, we are sending you the videos and you're just seeing, and it may be in your mind, okay, it's very easy, but it will be easy, it will become easy only when you will do it. If you find any doubts, you can ask the doubts, you can write in the comment section. I will definitely reply. Okay children. Now children, one more question. I am going to change the question now. Convert the following lengths into, again I am going to centimeters. Children, in first part I have told you about simple conversion. That is 8 meter equal to how many centimeter? Convert 4 meter into centimeter. Okay children. Now the question is, when we have to convert, this is the question. 8 meter 21 centimeter. Now children, this is the question and we have to convert it into centimeter. Our first step children, this is only centimeter. We have to convert centimeter. Already 21 centimeter they have given. So what we have to convert? We have to convert only this part. Okay children. In 8 meter we know how many centimeter are there in 8 meter. Either you can write 8 into 100 or you can simply write 800 centimeter. But this is not the answer children. If the question will be convert the following length into centimeter, and if the question will be 8 meter, then answer will be 800 centimeter. But now here the question is 8 meter 21 centimeter. So what will be the answer? 800 centimeter plus 21 centimeter. Okay children, and when we will add, we will get 821 centimeter. Or children, if you have to write it without calculation, you can speak it. 8 meter means 800 centimeter. 800 centimeter, 21 centimeter. 821 centimeter. Okay children, orally also you can do, but first of all you should understand it. You should solve it properly. When it will be clear to you, then it will become very easy for you to solve it orally also. Okay children. Now the question is, one more question I am going to take. The question is 12 meter 80 centimeter. Yes, 12 meter means 1200 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. Okay children, 1280 centimeter. Children, some children are doing it like this, because sometimes some teachers, maybe some elders are telling you it's very easy, you just do, it's very easy, you just remove this m and you will get the answer. Yes, it's true. When you will remove this m, the answer will be 1280. Otherwise you will solve, the answer will be same. But children, you can face the problem if the question will be like this. The question is 21 meter 6 centimeter. And children, if you will simply remove m, and what you will write? 216 centimeter. Okay, according to you the answer will be this if you will remove m. But look at here. After solving, what will be the answer? 21 meter means how many centimeter? 2100 centimeter. Now when we will add 6, yes, it is only at the ones place we will add, and it will become 2106 children. Look at the difference between these two. You have written 216, but actually it is 2106 children. So never use that method that you will simply remove m and you will write the answer. No, this is the wrong method. When there is any missing number at any, for example, missing number is there at tens place, there instead of that tens place 0 will be here. Okay children. Now the question will be 2106 centimeter. And children, I'm going to repeat once again, make sure don't forget to write this unit in the answer. If we have to convert into centimeter or whether we have to convert into meter, don't forget to use the unit. And children, please do practice of the questions, and don't forget to see the previous videos also, because all the chapters, all the topics are interrelated. Children, don't miss any video. See all the videos serial wise. Okay, one, first, second, third, like this. Okay children, all the best. Take care. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.